Okay, now that we have this alien goes around and firing, we are going to make some coin fall from the sky. So we are going to import the random function because the coin will go randomly from the top to the bottom, and then we are going to create our coin object from the inheriting from the sprite node superclass. We will define an initial method, like always in objects in Python, that will upset every keyword arguments that we will pass to the sprite node superclass, and so we will override an if method with self, and we're gonna give this as texture, and every keywords arguments that will be the position of the sprite node. And now that we defined the sprite, we are going to create the sprite into the class game, and we are going to define our spawn coins to make it appear always with the self, and it will be a new object every time that we call it, and this new object will be created by the class coin and will be parent to itself, and then we will define a position for this object, and it will be a random position. That's why we use it, imported the random function that will start from 20 on the screen, on the width of the screen, and can end to the self size width, so it can go anywhere from left to right on the screen, and the top and the self, like the x position, self height will be the top position of the screen, the height of the screen. And then we gotta call it every time we gonna update our screen. So we are gonna call it here self spawn spawn coins. So every time it is updated, it creates one of these random coin on the screen. Let's see if it works. And it kind of works, but doesn't give me does not gives me the right sprite here. Let's see why. Okay, this was the bug, and here it is. As you can see, the coins are up, and we can make something, make them more visible, and you see that they are there, and they spawn from 20 to the width of the screen. So now there's no interaction, there's no movement, and in the next video we will see how we can make them fall down.